In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to fix Facebook not showing pictures. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what I'm going to do firstly is to just come to my Facebook app, as you can see. And now when you're on your Facebook app, then what you're going to do firstly is to click on menu in the bottom right corner. So click on menu, and now it should take you to this page right here, as you can see, which is perfect. So now on this page, then what you're going to do is to just scroll down until you can find where it says help and support. So click on help and support. Now you're going to actually be taken here. Click on report a problem. Once again, click on report a problem. Click on include in here, and then it should take you to this page right here, which is perfect. So now you're just going to scroll down until you can find where it says photos in here. So click on photos, and now we need to write exactly like this to the Facebook support to be able to fix this. I am having issues with Facebook not showing pictures. I need this to be fixed. So this is basically what you need to write to them. I'm having issues with Facebook not showing pictures. I need this to be fixed. Now click on send in the top right corner. And perfect. Now the second step is going to be for you to actually just close your Facebook app and then go into your settings app instead. So now in your settings app, scroll down, click on general in here, as you can see, scroll down and click on storage. For me, it says iPhone storage right here, as you can see. And by the way, this page right here, unfortunately, it does take a couple of seconds for this to load, sometimes even a couple of minutes, depending on how much storage you have on your phone currently, just so you know. And now when it's done loading, then what you're going to do is to just scroll down in here, click on Facebook, and then we're going to click on offload app. Click on offload app once again. Just going to take a couple of seconds. And then click on the blue button here again to be able to get the Facebook app back on your phone. And after that, go back, and this should actually fix this issue for you. So that is basically exactly how to fix Facebook not showing pictures.